Welcome to Fish Tales with Tim. Now, Australia is a country where we love big things. Like in Queensland, they have the big pineapple. In New South Wales, they have the big banana. But here in South Australia, we've got this thing. It's called the Big Rocking Horse, and it's just outside of Gummaracha in the Adelaide Hills. So let's go check it out. It only costs $2 to go to the Big Rocking Horse here. And so what we're going to do right now, we're going to climb up to the top of these stairs and we're going to check out the view from the top. I'm sure it's going to be a pretty spectacular view on a beautiful sunny August afternoon like today. And there's still more. Here we go. Up again, more stairs. All right, so right now we're at what's kind of like the back of the rocking horse. Then you can see the tail sticking up there. It's magic. And over here, you can see the view of there's an animal park over here, which you might go and check out. And beautiful trees and the lovely Adelaide Hills. But wait, there's more. There's more steps. We've got to take to the very top of the Big Rocking Horse. Here we go. Let's go. This is a view from the very top, and isn't it pretty spectacular? It's great, doesn't it? Gum trees, beautiful Adelaide Hills, wineries just up the road. This is a great part of the world. New South Wales has got their big banana. Can you climb up that? No. Big pineapple? Yes. Okay. But this is the Big Rocking Horse, and this is the big attraction in Australia that truly rocks. Alright folks, this is the part that may be a little bit more challenging than the first bit. This is the part we have to actually go down. It's those same goddamn ladders we've got to use them to go all the way back down. So here we go, hang on tight, huh? This is actually a pretty good workout, you know, if you are in the Adelaide Hills, you need something to do, you're sick of doing CrossFit, come here to the Big Rocking Horse and go up and down these steps a few times, or these ladders a few times. That'll get your blood pumping. That's the Big Rocking Horse right here in Gummaracha in South Australia. It's quite an impressive sight, really, especially when you see that view from up on top. It's really something else. But probably the most memorable part are those skinny ass ladders you've got to get down. I tell you what, you don't want to have a big booty going up and down those things. There's also some birds here who apparently they look friendly. I don't know about that. They need to work on their personality a little bit. But apparently they will take your fingers if you stick them in here. So what am I going to do? Now we're actually coming to the animal park, which is really, really cool as well. And it's cheap. It only costs $2 to come in here. And for like a bag of food like this, if you want to feed the animals, that's only another $2. So that's super cheap. And these are some of the locals that you might actually run into, even as you just walk through the front door. See? Beautiful peacocks, aren't they? Just amazing. Hello. What's your name? I think they're a little bit scared of me, which is a bit of a shame. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. Wow, look. Hello. Hello, how you doing? Sitting pretty. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? Look at that. He's a big one too, isn't he, eh? It's my peacock fun over and done with. Now, I think he knows I've actually got a little bit of food in my hands, yes. Yeah, he's very keen. Right out of my hand, beautiful. This is a lot of fun, isn't it? There you go. Look, got some more ducks coming around there. Look at them waddle. There you go. You guys have some. You want something to eat? Yeah. Look at that. Look at that, hey? Isn't that good fun? Isn't that good fun? Look. Oh, look at that face. Now that is super cute. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. This is actually really cool, right? This is so cool. So like I said, $2 to come in the park and $2 to feed some of these animals. Well, the ones who want to talk to me, that is. Not all of them do. The goats like me. Funny that. Good work. You go. It's actually a lovely park. Kind of small maybe, it's got a turtle dam over there, but it's just a really, really nice spot to come, and it's cheap. Don't see too many turtles, but I see some hungry looking ducks. Let's see what happens if I give them something to munch on. Oh yeah, they kind of dig that, don't they? Here we go. There's some more for you. Good work. Look, this guy. We got another little alpaca over here. Ew. Fell over and landed on my ass as I was going to feed the alpaca, and I think I might have just scared the crap out of it. All right, he's back now. He's back now. Good boy. We'll call him Alex. Alex the alpaca. Here we go. You want some of this, mate? Note the muddy hand from slipping over and landing on my ass. Good work. Good work. Excellent. Okay, bye, buddy. See you later. It's nice being so popular, huh? You're probably going to recognize these guys if you've been anywhere in Australia. They are the Eastern Grey kangaroos. Now there's a few different kinds of kangaroos over here in Australia, but these ones are probably the most common ones that you'll see on the East Coast and even the South, which is where we are right now. Beautiful animals, and these ones I think they're going to be pretty keen to get some munchies on. Right up to you. Oh. Love a few munchies, don't they, hey? Love some munchies, you as well? Good boys. Actually, they could be girls. Good kangaroos. Right, we'll give you some more, yeah? Here we go, here we go. Look at that. No? Preferring the grass. Actually, the grass is maybe a little bit tastier. That's pretty awesome, isn't it, hey? And like I said, this is not too far away from Adelaide, just up in Adelaide, just up in the hills. And you get to see all these amazing Aussie animals and get up close and feed them. It's pretty cool. You want something to eat, mate? Hey. Yeah, there you go. Good fella. Good work. Look at you go. Hey, look at you go. Excellent. Now, this is a pretty slow eater for a wallaby, and but I still reckon he's probably better than most of the wallabies who play for our national rugby team. Got more personality. There you go. See if they're interested in a little bit of tucker. There's a big ass goose over there as well, so I think we'll just keep it close to the king. No, maybe they've been given that today. Maybe they just think, you know what, a few pellets, that don't impress me much. Gotta work a bit harder for me to come and, you know, jump around and get in your camera shot and get in your video. Gotta work harder, son. I'm sure they're thinking that. Now those other kangaroos we patted earlier and we fed earlier, those ones they're pretty tame, but these big boys here, the big reds, yeah, you normally don't go touching them. You normally stay away because they can do some damage if they don't like you. Oops, I got an entourage of little duckies. They're actually thinking, like, you know, that funny looking guy there with the black beanie and the bad dress sense. He's got some pellets. This animal here is actually a bit of an Aussie icon, really. Appears on the Australian coat of arms. Oh, he's got an Australian coat of arms, and he's the emu. Not emu, as some people call him, he's the emu. And I just want to see if he's a little bit peckish. Maybe he's a bit peckish as well. Okay, a little bit afraid. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Okay, maybe it's a no. Some pellets for you. No, he's following me. It's like a stalker on Facebook. But he doesn't have any comment. Oh my God. Do you want some? You want some? Yes? No? These are impressive looking birds. They're one of only 3 or 4 flightless birds in the world, and they can run like the clappers. Okay, I think we'll let them go. I think we'll just go feed the ducks because, yeah, this guy is starting to freak me out. Also a few like farm animals here as well. We've seen the ducks already. Now these are the sort of guys I only normally meet around Christmas time when I eat my Christmas dinner. Check it out, it's a singing turkey. You want some pellets, mate? The ducks do, they're back again. See, those ducks, they're loving it, man. They're mad for it. All right, so there's a singing turkey. Yes, you sing, we'll give you food. There's a white one. Now, I wonder if his name is Steggles. Oh, here's some of these peacocks. Wow, they're awesome, aren't they? Here we go. You want some food there as well, fella? We'll get up nice and close. Aren't they beautiful? Now, the interesting thing about peacocks is that it's the boys who are the best looking ones. They're the ones with all the feathers. Now, these ones here, I think we're going to find are actually peahens, because peahens are not quite attractive. So it's kind of like the opposite for humans, where the women are the attractive ones and the guys are the ones who are not so attractive. Yeah, let's go with that. Oh, now, this one here just had a bit of a wee chat to me. Hello, what's your name? I'll give you some pellets as well. Look at that. This guy's an entertainer. Look at him stepping. He's a hot stepper.
Here come the hot stepper. I'm the lyrical gangster. Big up the crew in the area. Still love it like that.
Now, apparently he bites as well, but hello. Hello. He's got one line to attract the people and get the food, and that's it, you know. He's like that guy with that one joke, you know, like your dad at Christmas or someone's birthday. Yeah, that's this guy. Oh, there he goes again. Hello. Hello. All right. There he goes again. Animals here. They're just chilling. Friday afternoon. They've already knocked off. EKO for the weekend. Yeah, I'm talking to you guys. Yeah, you. Couple of sheepish sheep. Wow, that is something else, isn't it? Like that is so much fun. I love that. That was super cheap and a lot of fun. And I made new friends, like this guy. No? Like these guys? No? Fellas? Call me, right? Yeah? Call me, yeah?
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. And until next time, we'll see you later. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Okay, bye.